bottom is going to slope rapidly, all right? See, once we get over the rocks, see the sloping? Yep. This is what we call a coral head. See this? So that big fish went by? That's a rock grouper. It's going to grow maybe about 7 feet. That was a coral head. It's a big piece. It's just a regular rock consumed by the corals. This is an angelfish. Yellow tail, blue body, blue and yellow body. So that? Angelfish. I want you to look out for sea fans. As I go in, guys, you're going to see purple and blue leaves waving on the bottom, okay? They are called sea fans. Beautiful trees, man. What's on here? You'll see lots of fish too. Don't worry about it. I guarantee you fish. Lots of them, alright? Getting shallow. The black fish right here going down in the hole, there's a black fish. It's actually a black and a gray and a bluish one. They are the same. They are tanks. Tanks. We call them doctor fish. Those fish have bones on both sides of the body. Near the tail. You take them out of the water and they stand the bones out. That's why we call them doctor fish. They are on call, guys. See the mustard piles? Cauliflower corals?
Yeah.
They're the cauliflower. These are the butterfly corals. Look like leaves. You see them? Got some more coming up right here in the shallow. Yeah, they look like leaves, man. These are the sea fans. See those golden things waving?
Yeah.
They are living plants and they filter the water. These are the blue tanks. See the blue fish right here? Look at the tail. When they turn sideways, you see the white lines? See the white lines in the tail? That's the two bones I told y'all about. They'll stand those bones out when they feel threatened.
Are they sharp?
Very, very sharp. See, the black one also has it, just went by. These little fish right here, the stripes, that is a foxfish. That's fully grown. It has two colors, green and black. I told you about the two colors because you're going to see some fish that looks just like that in a short while, but they're going to have three colors. They will be yellow, green, and black. Don't get them mixed up. There's a mutton snapper right here, big guy. See right there? Gray fish.
Wow.
Gray fish with a pink tail. Y'all see it? Straight down, straight down. He's disguised right there.
I see him.
See it right there?
Yep.
That's a mutton snapper. He's in the attack mode. He disguised himself as the color of the bottom because he's about to feed. I got a rock I want to show you guys. It'll take me about, you're going to see a rock in the glass in a few seconds. Look in the front glass. This rock was dried here by Hurricane Sandy. Look at the size of that rock. See it right there? That was dried here by the storm. Right here.
Yeah.
This was dried here by Hurricane Sandy. Believe it or not, man. We're going to drift over it. I like to show it to people because the size of it, you'll understand Mother Nature, the power of it. Yeah. Those are the fish I told you to look out for. They are sergeant majors. They look like the foxfish, but they are not. They are called sergeant majors, guys. They got a lot of stripes, but no authority, man. No authority. The fish, the golden ones with the pinstripes, you saw them? Blue eyes, they are called grunts. They got the name grunt because out of the water they grunt. They croak like frogs. Very annoying, man.
Oh, wow.
Very annoying. The natives usually take a club in the boat just to conk them on the head. Sergeant Major.